Now we will add both the equations and get plus y minus y, both are cancel out. 2x plus x is 3x equals 10 plus 1 11, which implies that x equal 11 by 3. Now put the value of x in any one equation. So we will put in the second equation x minus y equals 1. To get value of y, we will write y equals x minus 1. It's mean 11 by 3 minus 1. Take LCM, that is 3. So 11 minus 3 is 8 by 3. So easily we have find out the value of x and y. So we have solution as x is 11 by 3 and y is 8 by 3. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 4. Now the domain of question number 4 is geometry, and we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So question is, we have a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle and base is 6 centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter. You have to find the hypotenuse value. So find x. Just we will apply the formula on this. According to that, x square equals 6 square plus 8 square. This means that 36 plus 64, that is 100. So by taking square root on both sides, we will get x equal 10. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve last question, question number 5, and domain of this question is algebra inequalities. So question is, solve 2x minus 3 is less than 7. So we will solve this as, first of all, this will be 2x and here is minus 3, then it will be added on the left hand side, so it will become 7 plus 3. We have 2x less than 10, then x will be less than 10 over 2. Because 2 is multiplied here, then it will be divided, which implies that x is less than 5. So treat inequalities like equation, but flip the sign if you multiply or divide by a negative number. So these are the 5 questions that are most hardest in GCSE style problems. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Math Solver 1117 for more GCSE and A-level math exam tricks. And I will see you in the next video. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.